Welcome to this video on how to make a beautiful wooden cutting board. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a stunning cutting board that will be a useful addition to your kitchen. So, let's get started. Materials. The first step is to gather all the materials you will need. You will need a piece of hardwood, such as maple or walnut, wood glue, sandpaper, a saw, a router, and a food-safe finish. Cutting the wood. Using a saw, cut the hardwood to the desired size for your cutting board. You can make it any size you like, but a good size for a cutting board is around 12 inches by 18 inches. Sanding. Using sandpaper, sand the hardwood until it is smooth and free of any rough edges. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper, such as 80 grit, and work your way up to a finer grit, such as 220 grit. Routing. Using a router, round the edges of the cutting board. This will give it a nice finished look and make it more comfortable to use. Gluing. Apply wood glue to the edges of the hardwood and clamp them together. Make sure the edges are lined up evenly and the clamps are tight. Let the glue dry for at least 24 hours. Sanding again. Once the glue is dry, sand the entire cutting board again with a fine grit sandpaper, such as 220 grit. This will ensure a smooth finish. Finishing. Apply a food-safe finish to the cutting board. You can use mineral oil, beeswax, or a food-safe varnish. Apply the finish according to the manufacturer's instructions and let it dry completely. Enjoy! Your beautiful wooden cutting board is now complete. Use it to chop vegetables, slice bread, or serve cheese and crackers. It will be a useful and beautiful addition to your kitchen. Thank you for watching this video on how to make a wooden cutting board. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are inspired to try your hand at woodworking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tutorials.